Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create voiceover in a Canva.
Voiceover, also known as off-camera or off-stage commentary, is a production technique used in radio, television, filmmaking, theater, and other media in which a descriptive or expository voice that is not part of the narrative accompanies the pictured or on-site presentation of events.
So I'm just closing this page. I already opened a new Canva page and I just choose a normal video Canva. Due to I do not have any video what to upload now. I just want to show you how to create the voiceover itself. I go into the apps and searching for Voice Studio, this application. And here you can see we can choose between several voices in any language. Now I choose this one.
I normally would have gone grocery shopping.
Now I use this.
What are the main impediments to a restart?
Okay, now we use Alfie. And here we have three options. We can create the script manually, or we can create select from any page, or we can upload. Now I just right click, and as you can see, I still have 1054 characters left. This is also needed a paid version to get more options, more text. I already opened the page where you can see it. The basic monthly plan is $15, which allows us to use it 100,000 characters per month, or if we need unlimited, it's $30, which is still not bad if we are comparing with other sources. We can use for any type of video. As you can see, we can choose lots of different voices, and how we can build a script is also very easy. Now I just welcome back to my channel. I have to create a voiceover video, and as you can see, it's already there is an option, the separate scripts per line, that have me if I create in the separated lines, the system already generate 3 different lines for me, which is amazing. That really helps us to create the voices separately. I mean, sentence by sentence, or if you need word by word. And also there is a really cool option, add text to design, so I can even add the text to my design. I just increasing the size, changing the font type to 56, and just moving to the middle and generate voice. As you can see, this is just a very short one. So open a new page. Here I also added the text, increasing the text box size. I don't know what was that. Was 56 what I chose before? Yes. Okay, I just generate the voice here also. Just increasing a bit more than a text due to I would let use some transitions, and add this text also to my design, increasing the text box, increasing the text size and moving to the middle, also generate the voice for this last text like this. And then we can change the background, what I did, but now I don't want to do it. I just moving between the two slides at transition. I just use this dissolve, half second is good enough, and apply between pages. I mean, apply between all pages. And now we can see the final result.
Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will going to teach you how to create a voiceover video.
As you can see, that's really works well. We can choose between, I don't know how many different voices. We can choose a different language. As I recognize, I also tried it in Hungarian, and the Hungarian was doesn't sound like a real Hungarian. Just sounds like when a English speaker try to speak Hungarian. So that might be working well with major languages like English, French, Spanish, Italian, but for small languages is not the perfect. But still recommend to use it. It's a really cool feature, especially if you are using in these main languages. Really helps to create a voiceover video, so you do not even have to talk if you're shy or if you don't want, and you can choose really different voices, so you can create faceless video without even with talking. So now this video going to the end. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next tutorial. Ciao.